A cash-secured put is an options trading strategy where you, as an investor, sell a put option, which means you're giving the buyer the right to sell a specific stock to you at a predetermined price, while also holding enough cash to buy the underlying asset, usually a stock, if the option is exercised. The buyer of the put option has a bearish outlook on the market, expecting the stock price to go down, while the seller of the put option, you, has a more bullish or neutral outlook, believing the stock price may not go down significantly. This might sound a bit complicated, but let's break it down step by step, and then I'll give you an example. A put option gives the buyer, who has a bearish outlook, the right, but not the obligation, to sell a specific stock at a predetermined price, called the strike price, before a specific expiration date. The buyer pays the seller, you, who has a bullish or neutral outlook, a premium for this right. Now, let's say you're interested in buying a particular stock, but you think the current price is too high. You could sell a cash-secured put, giving the buyer the right to sell their shares to you at a specified price, to potentially buy the stock at a lower price, while also collecting the premium from selling the put option. Here's how it works. 1. You choose a stock you want to buy, let's say company XYZ. 2. Company XYZ is currently trading at $50 per share, but you think it's worth $45 per share. 3. You sell a put option, giving the buyer the right to sell their shares to you at $45, with a strike price of $45 and an expiration date 1 month from now. 3. For selling this option, you receive a premium of $2 per share. 4. You hold enough cash in your account to buy the shares if the option is exercised. In this case, $45 by 100 shares equals $4,500. Now, 2 scenarios can happen. The stock price stays above $45. In this case, the buyer of the put option, who is bearish, won't exercise it because they wouldn't want to sell the stock for $45 when it's worth more. The option expires worthless, and you, the seller, who is bullish or neutral, keep the $2 per share premium as profit. You don't get to buy the stock, but you made money on the premium. The stock price falls below $45. The buyer of the put option, who is bearish, will likely exercise it because they can sell the stock to you for $45, even though it's worth less. You, the seller, who is bullish or neutral, will be obligated to buy the stock at $45 per share, which you wanted to do anyway. In this case, you also keep the $2 per share premium, effectively reducing your cost to $43 per share. If the stock price falls significantly, you, the put option seller, could lose money because you're obligated to buy the stock at $45 even if it's worth much less. However, the premium you collected helps offset some of this loss. In summary, a cash-secured put is a strategy used to potentially buy a stock at a lower price while collecting a premium. The buyer of the put option is bearish, while the seller is bullish or neutral. This strategy can be profitable for the seller if the stock price stays above the strike price, but the seller could lose money if the stock price falls significantly below the strike price.